When I call your name, please come before the bench with your attorney. If your attorney is not here, we'll wait for your attorney to arrive. If you are representing yourself, or if you are not represented by an attorney, when I call your name, please come up before the bench by yourself.
Remove your hand, sir. Thank you.
First case is Joshua Allen Smith. That's Cornelius. Mr. Smith, your full name is Joshua Allen Smith.
Yes, sir.
How are you doing, Mr. Smith? That's good. Mr. Smith, you're represented by your attorney Kyle Walker. Attorney Walker, how are you
I'm
doing?
doing good, Judge.
Okay. Let me get us a prosecutor. Yes, this is, this is your case,
Joshua Allen.
Kyle Smith. Now, the state is represented in this case by Attorney Farrell Nixon. Ms. Nixon, how are you doing?
I'm fine, Your Honor. How are you?
I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. Let me ask you something. I see here that he was assigned a pretrial diversion in June.
They had to reset him for August 6th.
Oh, so it's been reset?
Yes, sir. He's gonna be signing at 8:30 that day.
Okay, so let's do this. August, you said it's August the 6th?
Yes, sir. It's a Thursday.
Okay, let's set this the next week after August the 6th. Now, if he signs up, he won't have to come to court
Yes, sir.
because they'll send us a list of everybody that signed up. And so we'll know that he's in the program. And then once he gets into the program, he will not get a court date unless he get kicked out of the
Yes,
program.
sir.
And then we'll give him a court date.
Yes, sir.
Okay? So give us a date.
On the 17th.
No, do the 10th. Oh, yes. Okay, this case is gonna be reset for August 10th, 2026. Mr. Smith, you get your reset from our court coordinator. Once you get your reset, you're free to go. Now, again, if you sign up for the program, you will not be required to come. All right, stay in contact with your attorney and your bondsman. You're free to go. You have a blessed day. And Mr. Walker, is this your last case?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you're free to go as well. And you have a blessed day.
Thank you.
Okay.
You sure?
Thank you.
Here's your phone.
I got it. Thank you.
Next case is Sarah Chrysler, cause number 25 CCCR 2583. Good morning, Mr. Love. How are you doing? Ms. Chrysler, how are you doing? How are you doing?
I'm good, how you doing?
I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. State is represented in this case by Attorney Cornelius Williams. Mr. Williams, how are you doing?
Very well, Your Honor. And how are you and your exceptional staff?
We doing fine, thanks for asking. Now, Mr. Love, I think on April 24th, court held a motion to suppress hearing, is that correct?
This is Your Honor.
And the court actually is still in the process of finalizing its decision.
Yes, Your Honor.
So we haven't finalized the decision yet. And so we can give you a reset. Now we can make it convenient for your schedule.
Okay.
Because I know you coming in from Houston.
I appreciate it. It's okay. You didn't get particularly what's this one. Okay. All right. I guess I'll just ask the court how much longer they anticipate.
Probably another 30 days.
Okay.
It's not too much longer.
Okay. I mean, my August is pretty much wide open, you know. So.
Give us a reset anytime in August.
Okay.
I think you mentioned August the 17th before. 10th or 17th.
I did take it.
10th, okay. This case will be reset to August 10th, 2026. Scrissler, you'll be able to get your reset from our court coordinator. Once you get your reset, you're free to go. And you have a blessed day.
You too.
And Attorney Love, you're free to go as well. You have a blessed
Thank you
day.
so much. You as well.
You're welcome.
Good to see you all.
All right, I see you.
Absolutely. Thank you.
Wife?
That door is locked. Attorney Love, you gotta go through the other. That's,
Oh, I know what it is.
next case is Kenlon Falk, cause number 25 CCCR 0488.
Sir.
Where is it?
That's him on Zoom.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I see Mr. Falk is, Mr. Falk, how are you doing? His thing just froze. Mr. Falk, how are you doing? It's frozen. Yes, Mr. Falk, how are you doing? I can't hear you, Mr. Falk. All right, how are you doing?
How you doing? Sir?
How are you doing? I can't, he's breaking up. Yeah, I can't, he's breaking up.
How you doing, sir?
I'm doing fine. Okay, now, Mr. Falk,
Yes, sir.
I see here you have a felony trial set on July 20th. Is that
Yes, sir.
correct? He's breaking up.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let me ask you, Mr.
Yes,
Falk,
sir,
why
I
are you
do.
not in court in person? It's bad.
Like it's breaking up,
Okay,
sir.
yeah, Mr. Falk, you're probably
It's like
gonna
it's
need
breaking
to
up.
reconnect. I'm gonna go to another case. You can just
I can, I can hear you. I can hear you.
okay, now, Mr. Falk, the
Yes,
question
sir.
is, why are you not in court in person?
I'm having car trouble right now. I'm waiting on the tow truck to come pull my truck right now.
Was that the guy that called in earlier?
Yes, sir.
Oh, okay. Okay. Now, Mr. Falk, you have a felony case set for July 20th, 2026. Is that correct?
Yes, sir, that is.
Okay, so we're gonna set this case on the same date of the felony case?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, this case will be reset to July 20th, 2026. Stay in contact with your bondsman. Your bondsman will be given notice of this reset date. Again, it's July 20th, 2026 at 9 a.m.
Yes, sir.
You're free to go. Again, stay in contact with your bondsman for your court date. You need to be in court in person on July 20th, 2026.
Sir.
All right, you're free to go. You have a blessed day. Okay, Mr. Romano, the state is offering that you serve 1 year deferred adjudicated probation. During the 1 year probationary period, you'll be required to pay a fine of $400 for court costs of $387. You'll also be required to pay DWI conviction fine fee of $100. You'll be required to pay a probation fee of $60 a month, your analysis fee of $15 a month, reimbursement fee of $15. You'll also be required to pay Jefferson County DWI education an initial evaluation fee of $125 on the day of the plea. Should a further evaluation be needed, you'll be required to pay an additional $50. Now, your total monthly installments, that is the total amount that you will be required to pay each month while you're on probation is $164 a month. Will you be able to pay the $164 each month?
Yes, sir.
You'll also be required to perform 30 hours of community service, install an interlock device on any vehicle that you own or operate, attend and complete a DW education class, and have an alcohol assessment, as well as adhering to the other standard terms and condition of DWI probation. Mr. Romano, do you understand the state's offer?
Yes, sir.
You think the state's offer in your case is fair and just?
Sir.
And do you, hold on a minute. So this is 0.15 or more. I don't think you get deferred on that. Unless you waive the enhancement paragraphs.
We'll abandon the enhancement, Judge.
Okay. Okay. Okay, we're gonna have to, she's gonna have to redo the paperwork. Now, I need to let me do this here. Yeah. Need to go back to the information states that on or about December 27 of 2025, while you were in Jefferson County, Texas, operating a motor vehicle in a public place, that you committed the class A misdemeanor offense of driving while intoxicated with an alcohol concentration level of 0.15 or more. And state, are you abandoning the enhancement paragraph?
Yes, Your Honor.
Now, the state is abandoning the enhancement paragraph. And what that means is if the state is abandoning the enhancement paragraph, instead of being charged with a class A misdemeanor DWI, you'll be charged with a lesser included offense of a class B misdemeanor offense of DWI. Do you understand that?
Sir.
Now, to the class B misdemeanor offense of driving while intoxicated with an alcohol, well, while driving intoxicated on or about December 27 of 2025, while you were operating a motor vehicle in a public place in Jefferson County, Texas, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, no contest?
No contest.
Now, you pleading no contest freely and voluntarily?
Yes, sir.
And are you pleading no contest because you do not wish to fight all contested charges?
Yes, sir.
Okay. You gotta change the paperwork.
Thank you.
Change that.
Are you the kind
I'm not.
of? Did you think all this? You look very.
I don't know if I think that's a dog.
Well, I was in a perspective,
Yeah.
but the mustache, the khakis with the blazer.
Yeah, I don't, that's a valid question. I have friends in them, but roommates, but.
DWI.
Yeah, all the fun stuff, right?
Okay, so what I did on the paperwork, I just changed it from, oops. Let me do this. I just changed it from a class, A misdemeanor to a class B DWI. And the only difference is the range of punishment. Minimum is 72 hours jail to a maximum of 180 days in jail. A fine that does not exceed 2,000. Okay?
Good.
Now, and you plead no contest, is that correct?
Yes, yes, sir.
Okay. All right. So I changed the paperwork. And now again, your punishment is 1 year deferred adjudicated probation, a fine of $400 plus court costs of $387. You will also be required to pay a DWI conviction fine fee of $100, probation fee of $60 a month, your analysis fee $15 a month, reimbursement fee of $15. You'll also be required to pay Jefferson County DWI conviction fine fee of $125 on the day of the plea. Should a further evaluation be needed, you'll be required to pay an additional $50. Your total monthly installments is $164 a month, and you'll be able to pay the $164 a month. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
You'll also be required to perform 30 hours of community service, installing an interlock device on any vehicle that you own or operate, attend and complete a DW education class, have an alcohol assessment, and adhere to the other standard terms and conditions of this probation. Now, Mr. Alexander Romano, do you understand the state's offer?
Yes, sir.
Do you think the state's offer in your case is fair and just?
Sir.
And do you accept the state's offer?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Mr. Romano, I will follow the plea bargain agreement that you have entered into with the state. Now, Mr. Romano, if you successfully complete this probationary period, this case will be dismissed. It will not result in a conviction on your record, and you may qualify for non-disclosure. You can talk to your attorney, Mr. Agnew, about the non-disclosure because he's quite competent in this matter. Now, we need to have him just have a seat. She's gonna call you back up so that you can finalize the paperwork with the bailiff. All right?
Thank you.
And once you finish the paperwork, you're free to go and you have a blessed day.
Sir.
And Attorney Agnew, you're free to go as well and you have a blessed day.
Thank you, Judge, I appreciate it.
Okay.
Sure, sir. Good.
Well, we'll tell him when he come up. Yeah. Yeah. Jefferson County Court at Law number 2 is in session and calls number 24 CCCR 0474. Case is styled the state of Texas versus Matthew Ortis. Mr. Ortis, is that your full name?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Ortis, would you please raise your right hand? Do you swear affirm, tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes,
Mr. Ortis, you may put your hand down. How are you doing, Mr. Ortis?
I'm doing well. How are you doing, sir?
I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. Mr. Ortis, you're representing your case by your attorney, Mark Faggett. Attorney Faggett, how are you doing?
I'm doing well. Thank you for asking, Your Honor.
You're welcome, Ms. Faggett. Do you waive a record in Mr. Ortis's case?
We do, Your Honor.
Mr. Ortis, I have before me a document that is titled Information. This information was filed by the Jefferson County District Attorney's Office. In this information, it alleges that you, Matthew Ortis, on or about December 23rd of 2023, while you were operating a motor vehicle in a public place in Jefferson County, Texas, that you committed a Class A misdemeanor offense of driving while intoxicated. Second, state, are you abandoning the enhancement paragraph?
Yes, Your Honor.
Now, Mr. Ortis, the state is abandoning the enhancement paragraph in this case, and what that means is instead of being charged with a Class A misdemeanor DWI second, you'll be charged with a lesser included offense, which is a Class B misdemeanor offense DWI first. Mr. Ortis, do you understand what you have been charged with?
Yes, sir.
And to this charge, Mr. Ortis, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest, Your Honor.
Now, are you pleading no contest freely and voluntarily?
Yes, sir.
And are you pleading no contest because you do not wish to fight or contest the charges? Now, Mr. Ortis, I have before me a document that is titled Misdemeanor Plea Admonishment. This document is also labeled as State's Exhibit Number 1. Do you recognize this document?
I do, Your Honor.
On page 2 of this same document, there's a set of initials on a line next to a box that's checked no contingent, which means no contest. Did you place your initials on this document? On page 3 of this same document, there's a signature above a line that's titled Defendant. Is this your signature?
It is.
And on the next document that's titled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Right of Appeal, do you recognize this document?
Yes, sir.
And is this your signature on the line that's titled Defendant?
Yes, sir.
At the top of this document, there are 2 boxes checked. The first box that's checked states that this is a plea bargain case and you have no right of appeal. You understand that statement? Second box that's checked states that you're waiving your right to an appeal, which means you're giving up your right to an appeal. You understand that statement?
Yes, sir.
I also have another document on paper that is titled Discovery Certification. Do you recognize this document?
Yes, sir.
Now, and is this your signature on the line that's titled Defendant?
It is.
Now, Mr. Ortis, before you sign and initial these documents, did your attorney go over these documents with you?
Yes, sir. It is.
And did you understand everything that your attorney went over?
Very well.
And is everything in these documents true and correct to the best of your knowledge?
Yes, sir.
And Mr. Ortis, are you a citizen of the United States?
Most definitely am.
State offer State's Exhibit 1, Your Honor.
No objection, Your Honor.
No objection. State's Exhibit Number 1 will be admitted. And Mr. Baggett, you've advised and counseled Mr. Ortis, is there any evidence that he is currently mentally incompetent to stand trial?
Absolutely none. He's
Eh.
been most delightful to deal with, Judge.
Okay. And Mr. Ortis, your attorney, Mr. Faggett, has advised and counseled you. Are you satisfied with his representation?
Yes, sir. I am present. Been great.
Okay. Now, Mr. Ortis, I will accept your plea of no contest. I will find that you are mentally competent to stand trial. I will also find that your plea and waivers were freely and voluntarily given. And I will also find that there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty beyond a reasonable doubt. State, do we have a plea bargain agreement?
We do, Your Honor.
And what is the agreement?
Be confinement in the county jail for 180 days, probated for a period of 18 months with an $800 fine, 80 hours community service, installation of an interlock device, and DWI standard terms and conditions.
It's gonna be $1 extra.
Okay, that's
Instead of 164 is 165.
Perfect.
Okay,
Appreciate it.
you're welcome.
There's
Yeah. Okay. Mr. Otis, the state is offering that you serve 180 days in Jefferson County Jail. However, you will not be required to serve any more time in the Jefferson County Jail because you'll be placed on probation for a period of 18 months. During the 18-month probationary period, you'll be required to pay a fine of $800 plus court costs of $452. You'll be required to pay a DWI conviction fine fee of $100. You'll be required to pay probation fee of $60 a month, your analysis fee of $15 a month, reimbursement fee of $15. You'll also be required to reimburse Jefferson County court-appointed attorney's fees of $350. You'll also be required to pay Jefferson County DWI initial evaluation fee of $125 on the day of the police. Should a further evaluation be needed, you'll be required to pay an additional $50. Now, your total monthly installments, that is the total amount that you will be required to pay each month while you are on probation, is $180 a month. Are you able to pay the $180 each month?
Yeah, yes, sir.
You'll also be required to perform 80 hours of community service, install an interlock device on any vehicle that you own and operate, attend and complete a DW education class, have an alcohol assessment, and adhere to the other standard terms and conditions of this probation. Mr. Orders, do you understand the state's offer?
Yes, sir, I do.
Do you think that the state's offer in your case is fair and just?
Yes, sir,
Do you accept the state's offer?
I do.
Mr. Orders, I'll follow the plea bargaining agreement that you have entered into with the state. Mr. Orders, you stand at the end of that counter. Follow the directions of the bailiff. Once you finish following the directions of the bailiff, you'll be free to go, and you have a blessed day. And you're welcome. Mr. Faggett, you have any more
I
cases?
do not, Your Honor.
Okay, Mr. Faggett, you're free to go as well, and you have a blessed day. Oops. Have to sign with this other pen. Hmm? Yes, somebody. Is it Lava?
That's at least this.
Okay. Hmm? Is that Zavala? Okay,
Dismissals.
that was on the docket? Okay. Eric Zavala Tenorio. Good morning, Mr. Zavala. Good morning, how you doing?
Good, how are you?
I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. Mr. Zavala, you're represented in your case by your attorney, Attorney Dustin Galmore. Attorney Galmore is not here, however, standing in for Attorney Galmore is Attorney Haley Simmons. And Ms. Simmons, well, does Ms. Simmons have your permission to stand in for Mr. Galmore?
Yes, sir.
Ms. Simmons, how are you doing? I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. Ms. Simmons, I have before me a document that is titled Motion to Dismiss, an order to dismiss, is that correct? Ms. Nixon?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. So I'm signing this dismissal. And Mr. Zavala Torrio?
No,
Tenorio?
yes, sir.
Mr. Tenorio, you can get a copy of this motion from our court coordinator. Once you get a copy of this motion, you're free to go. And you have a blessed day.
Thank you.
You can stand right in front of the court coordinator.
Your Honor, he has an ankle monitor on as a bond condition for this case.
Oh, he does?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay,
And then come on. Oh.
okay, let me pull it up, make sure. Yeah, let's see, Tenorio.
Yeah, this one. Yeah.
Let me look it up back to it. I don't, could you pull up his file? I guess, did you reset it? I guess once it was done, it went or something. No, he's on the,
Dismissal.
oh, man, I see what happened. I need to look under the pretrial conference docket.
It does not. Did you find it?
Hold on, I just need to change. Here it is. Bond conditions. Yeah. Give me we're gonna give you a order removing the GPS. Here you go. Make a copy. Okay. You're welcome. Mr. Burbank? Well, no, hold on. You have any more?
We have two more, Your Honor. I have a plea with Mr. White and then I have a reset with Michael Marshall.
Okay. Let's do Mr. White.
Yeah, I'll sit back now.
Okay.
You do that time.
Aaron Scott White. That's a plea.
Reset.
What? That's a plea.
No. Back to me as,
Mr. Marshall's gonna be a reset.
okay.
Okay, this is cause number 24 CCC Aura 0959. Case is style of state of Texas versus Aaron Scott White. Mr. White, is that your full name?
Sure.
Mr. White, would you please raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God? Mr. White, you may put your hand down. How are you doing, Mr. White?
I'm good, how are you?
I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. Mr. White, you're represented in your case by your attorney, Attorney Dustin Galmore. Attorney Galmore is not here standing in for Attorney Galmore. It is Attorney Haley Simmons. Does Ms. Simmons have your permission to stand in for Attorney Galmore?
Yes.
And Ms. Simmons, Ms. Simmons, do you waive a record in Mr. White's case?
We do, Your Honor.
Ms. Simmons, I have before me on my computer a document that is titled information. This information was filed by the Jefferson County District Attorney's Office. In this information, it alleges that you, Aaron Scott White, on or about March 9th of 2024, while you were in Jefferson County, Texas, that you committed the Class B misdemeanor offense of criminal mischief. Mr. White, do you understand what you have been charged with?
Yes, sir.
And to this charge, Mr. White, how do you, oh, excuse me, hold on, let me back up a minute. That's a Class A.
We are.
Oh. Oh, y'all pleading, oh, let me know that he has another case.
This week before, testing, Your Honor.
Okay, yeah, I have resisting transportation.
Correct.
Okay, I have before me in cause number 24 CCCR 0959, a document that is titled information. This information was filed by the Jefferson County District Attorney's Office. In this information, it alleges that you, Aaron Scott White, on or about March 9th of 2024, while you were in Jefferson County, Texas, that you committed the Class A misdemeanor offense of resisting transportation. Mr. White, do you understand what you have been charged with?
Yes, sir.
And to this charge, Mr. White, how do you plead guilty, not guilty, and no contest?
Guilty?
Now, are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily? Are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily?
Yes, sir.
And are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes, sir.
Mr. White, I also have before me on my computer tablet a document that is titled misdemeanor plea admonishments. Do you recognize this document?
Yes, sir.
This document is also labeled as State's Exhibit number 1, and on page 2, there's a set of initials on the line next to the boxes checked guilty. Did you place your initials on this document?
Yes, sir.
On page 3 of this same document, there's a signature above the line that is titled defendant. Is this your signature?
Yes, sir.
And on the next document that's titled trial court certification of defendant's right of appeal, do you recognize this document?
Yes, sir.
And is this your signature on the line that's titled defendant?
Yes, sir.
At the top of this document, there are 2 boxes checked. The first box that's checked states that this is a plea bargain case and you have no right of appeal. Do you understand that statement?
Yes.
Second box that's checked states that you're waiving your right to an appeal, which means you're giving up your right to an appeal. Do you understand that statement?
Yes, sir.
I also have another document on paper that is titled discovery certification. Do you recognize this document?
Yes, sir.
And is this your signature on the line that's titled defendant?
Yes, sir.
Now, Mr. White, before you sign and initial all of the documents that I just showed you, did your attorney go over these documents with you?
Yes, sir.
And did you understand everything that your attorney went over?
I did.
And is everything in these documents true and correct to the best of your knowledge?
They are.
Mr. White, are you a citizen of the United States?
Yes, sir.
State tenders to this honorable court, State's Exhibit number 1.
No objections, Your Honor.
No objections. State's Exhibit number 1 will be admitted. And Ms. Simmons, you advised and counseled Mr. White, is there any evidence that he is currently mentally incompetent to stand trial?
None at all, Judge.
And Mr. White, your attorney, Ms. Simmons, has advised and counseled you. Are you satisfied with her representation?
I am.
Has she provided full, effective, and competent legal representation?
She did.
And your attorney, Mr. Galmore, has advised and counseled you. Are you satisfied with his representation?
Yes, sir.
Has he provided full, effective, and competent legal representation?
Yeah.
Mr. White, I will accept your plea of guilty. I will find that you are mentally competent to stand trial. I will also find that your plea and waivers were freely and voluntarily given. And I will also find that there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty beyond a reasonable doubt. State, do we have a plea bargain agreement?
We do, yeah.
And what is that agreement?
It'll be 4 days within the Jefferson County Jail, time served, time actually served, and all court costs should be taxed and retired. Is that correct?
That's correct.
And, okay, Mr. White, state is offering that you serve 4 days in Jefferson County Jail. However, you will not have to serve any more time in the Jefferson County Jail because you already served 4 days in the Jefferson County Jail. Therefore, you'll be given credit for the time that you've already served. The court costs in this case will be taxed and retired. That simply means that you will not be required to pay the court costs because the time that you've spent in jail has already paid off the court costs. Therefore, the court costs will be taxed and retired. Mr. White, do you understand the state's offer?
Yes, sir.
And do you think that the state's offer in your case is fair and just?
I do.
And do you accept the state's offer?
Yes, sir.
Mr. White, I'll follow a plea bargain agreement that you have entered into with the state and the companion case. Mr. Williams,
Yes, Your Honor, criminal number 24 CCCR 0958. In consideration of the plea, the state will dispose of it pursuant to 12.45 of the Texas Penal Code. Is that correct?
That's correct, Mr. White.
Mr. White, I have before me a request to consider unadjudicated offenses. And do you recognize this document?
Yes, sir.
And is this your signature on the line as static defendant?
Yes, sir.
Now, before you sign and initial this document, did your attorney go over this document with you?
He did.
And did you understand everything that she did?
I did.
And is everything in this document true and correct to the
Yes,
best of your knowledge? Okay. Mr. White, this case will be dismissed pursuant to 1245, the Texas Penal Code. Mr. White, you're gonna stand next to the bailiff, follow her directions. Once you finish following her directions, you'll be free to go and you have a blessed day. And let's see, we have another one. Mr. Bell.
Michael Marsh, I believe, is on the pre-trial conference topic, Your Honor.
Michael James Marshall. This is a transfer from County Court at law number. Okay, Mr. Marshall, your full name is Michael James Marshall. How are you doing, Mr. Marshall?
I'm doing well, thank you.
That's good, Ms. Marshall. You represented in your case by your attorney, Attorney Dusty Galmore. Standing in for Mr. Galmore is Attorney Haley Simmons. And does Ms. Simmons have your permission to stand in for Attorney Galmore?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, and Ms. Simmons, what's your announcement in Mr. Marshall's case?
Yes, Your Honor, at the last setting, we made the announcement that we did receive blood discovery from the state at that time after quite a while of waiting. We've sent it off to the expert, but it does take a couple months to get back for review. So if possible, if we could have maybe a 60-day reset to finish that review.
Okay, give us a reset. 60, yeah.
Thank you, Judge.
August 17th.
Okay, this case is reset to August 17th, 2026. Mr. Marshall, you get your recess. Once you get your recess, you're free to go,
Thank you.
and you have a blessed day. All right.
That's it for us, Judge.
And Ms. Simmons, you're free to go.
Thank you, Judge.
And Mr. Galmore, you're free to go as well.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Mr. Burbank, okay, Frederick Michael Jones. Who is that? Yeah. Is that a, okay. This is, the court is in session in two cases, cause numbers 26-CCCR-0064 and cause number 26-CCCR-0081. Both cases are Styles of State of Texas versus Frederick Michael Jones. And Mr. Jones, is that your full name?
Yes, sir.
How are you doing, Mr. Jones? That I'm doing fine, thank facts. Mr. Jones, you're represented in your cases by your attorney, Attorney Thomas Burbank. And Attorney Burbank, how are you doing?
Doing fine, Judge.
That's good. Now, Mr. Burbank, what is your announcement in Mr. Jones' cases?
It asked for one reset. The state has given me an offer. I need to discuss it with my client, but a regular reset to the announcement.
Okay. Give us a reset date.
What docket is it?
It's on the announcement docket, page 2, first two cases. Okay, this case, well, these cases will be reset to July 15th, 2026. Mr. Jones, you can get your recess from our coordinator. Once you get your recess, you're free to go.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Derek Dwayne Myers
Should be a plea, Judge.
is the plea. Okay,
I don't know if I sent it over.
okay, we'll hold up. Okay. Upshur County Court at law number 2 is in session and cause number 25 CCCR 1736. case is styled the state of Texas versus Derek Dwayne Myers Jr. And Mr. Myers, is that your full name?
Yes.
Ms. Myers, would you please raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm, tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes.
Mr. Myers, you may put your hand down. How are you doing, Mr. Myers?
Good.
That's good. I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking. Now, Mr. Myers, you're represented in your case by your attorney, Attorney Tom Kelly. Excuse me, Attorney Tom Burbank. And Mr. Burbank, how are you doing?
Not good now.
And Mr. Burbank, do you waive a record in Mr. Myers' case?
We do, Judge.
And Mr. Myers, I have before me on my computer a document that is titled Information. This information was filed by the Jefferson County District Attorney's Office. In this information, it alleges that you, Derek Dwayne Myers, on or about May 30, 2025, while you were in Jefferson County, Texas, that you committed the Class A misdemeanor offense of making firearm access to a child. Do you understand what you've been charged with?
Yes.
And to this charge, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, no contest.
No contest.
And you pleading no contest freely and voluntarily? And are you pleading no contest because you do not wish to fight or contest the charge?
Yes.
And Mr. Burbank, you are waiving a record in this case.
We
Is that
have.
correct? All right. Now, Mr. Myers, I also have before me on my computer tablet a document that is titled misdemeanor plea admonishment. Is also labeled as State's Exhibit Number 1. Do you recognize this document?
Yes.
On page 2 of this same document, there are 2 sets of initials. One set of initials is DM. Did you place your initials DM next to your attorney's initials? And on page 3 of the same document, there's a signature above the line that's titled defendant. Is this your signature?
Yes.
And on the next document, there's titled trial court certification of the defendant's right of appeal. Do you recognize this document?
Yes.
And is this your signature on the line that's titled defendant? At the top of this document, there are 2 boxes checked. The first box that's checked states that this is a plea bargain case and you have no right to appeal. You understand that statement?
Yes.
Second box that's checked states that you're waiving the right to appeal, which means you're giving up the right to appeal. You understand that statement? Also have a document on paper that is titled discovery certification. You recognize this document? And is this your signature on the line that's titled defendant? Now, Mr. Myers, before you signed all of the documents that I just showed you, did your attorney go over those documents with you? And did you understand everything that your attorney went over? Is everything in those documents true and correct to the best of your knowledge? Mr. Myers, are you a citizen of the United States?
State Office State's Exhibit Number 1.
Any objections?
No objection, States 1.
No objection. States Exhibit Number 1 will be admitted. Mr. Burbank, you advised and counseled Mr. Myers. Is there any evidence that he is currently mentally incompetent to stand trial?
No, you're not.
And Mr. Myers, your attorney, Mr. Burbank, has advised and counseled you. Are you satisfied with his representation?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Myers, I will accept your plea of no contest. I will find that you are mentally competent to stand trial. I will also find that your plea and waivers were freely and voluntarily given. And I will also find that there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty beyond a reasonable doubt. State, do we have a plea bargain agreement?
We do, Your Honor.
And what is that agreement?
24 months deferred adjudication, Your Honor, a $240 fine and $6 of community service. Is that correct, Mr. Burbank? That's correct, Your Honor.
Ms. Burbank, were you a part of this case?
I was not.
Hired? Okay. What's the court cost?
332.
Okay, Mr. Myers, the state is offering that you serve 2 years deferred adjudicated probation. During the 2-year probationary period, you'll be required to pay a fine of $240 for score costs of $377. You also be required to pay a probation fee, $6 a month, your announcement fee of $15 a month, reimbursement fee of $15. The total monthly installments, that is a total amount that you will be required to pay each month, is $104 a month. Will you be able to pay the $104 each month?
Yes, sir.
You'll also be required to perform 60 hours of community service and adhere to the other standard terms and conditions of this probation. Mr. Myers, do you understand the state's offer?
Yes, sir.
Do you think the state's offer in your case is fair and just?
Yes, sir.
And do you accept the state's offer? Mr. Myers, I'll follow the plea bargain agreement that you have entered into with the state. Mr. Myers, if you successfully complete this probationary period, this case will be dismissed. It will not result in a conviction on your record, and you may qualify for non-disclosure. You can talk to your attorney about the non-disclosure because he's quite competent in those matters. Mr. Myers, you stand next to the bailiff and follow her directions. Once you finish following her directions, you'll be free to go. And you have a blessed day. Timothy Saunier. Did he show up?
Maybe in felony court.
Oh, he does have a felony. Same
I
offense
don't
day.
represent him on the felony, though. It lists me. I don't have a contract. I don't have.
It says the same offense date. Okay, let's see, Mr. Burbank, let's see. Alexius Lede,
Yeah, she's on.
Miss Lede, you can take your mic off of mute.
Yes, sir.
How are you doing, Miss Lede?
Good, and you?
I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. Miss Lede, you're represented by your attorney, Attorney Tom Burbank. And Mr. Burbank, what is your announcement in Miss Lede's case?
Your Honor, this has been going on for a period of time. We're trying to get the right class for her to take for the state's consideration of dismissing everything.
What kind of class?
Well, it's a family services type.
Is it like a BIP?
It's not
Anger management?
diversion. It's not a pretrial diversion. It's a online class that they can take and get a certificate. And talking to Mr. Williams, we may be able to conclude this. If I can just get it to the right people.
Okay, how long has she been trying to get into that class?
Oh, probably since this all happened. She was accepted into pretrial diversion, Judge, but that is not what our agreement was. My agreement was not my agreement
Okay,
between the state, my client,
okay,
and so but she was accepted into that, but that isn't what we talked about.
okay, who have y'all been talking to get into the class? What person?
Well,
I'm sure y'all
state
can
of
contact,
Texas,
sure you can contact, family, what's that,
Well,
Family Services.
family services probably can,
Right.
get it
That's what we're
quick,
trying to do.
yeah. There's a gentleman that comes here on Tuesdays by the name of Johnny Stewart.
You have a phone number for Johnny Stewart?
Yeah, there's a brochure right up there on that countertop.
Which counter?
Right there behind Miss Provo,
On the bar.
right there on the bar.
Your Honor.
That says family services? Did they have any families when any? Okay.
The information is on there.
Yeah, you probably have a phone number. When you call that phone number, you could contact Mr. Stewart.
Your Honor, may I say something?
Judge,
Yeah, but he's here every Tuesday.
hopefully, we'll take care of it.
Okay,
And if she'll get it, I'll get the certificate to Mr. Williams. And I'm sure we could.
okay, so we're gonna reset, give her a reset. It's gonna be for, what's that, anger management or a BIP, one of them,
That's-
the online.
Yeah, that's
Okay.
correct, sir.
Your Honor, what is BIF? Because I thought it was anger management.
No, I was just saying BIP, but they're saying it's gonna be anger management.
Okay, I was just
Read
making.
it the right way.
asking.
That's, yeah, they have two locations.
There's just one.
They have the new office.
18 weeks.
Yeah, that's there, but you need to talk to him. He can tell you how to,
Well, yeah, it's not the 18-week one. Right.
We have talked to, I guess the adult probation, who they originally told us to call. I
Okay.
had spoke with the secretary, when Mr. Burbank is, handling other things. And so we've talked to maybe like 3 different people. She said somebody online, and then, the state offered something else because the original, person on the state's behalf isn't, over the council anymore. She left. So, the family service program, is that who offers the?
I'm not
anger
saying the program, I'm saying he can give you information on how to get on the, get into the online anger management. That's all I was
Okay.
doing. I was just giving him a point of contact, since he
Okay.
said nobody knows.
Yeah, nobody is giving us answers. We've been reaching out,
Right.
including the secretary,
Okay, well, he's gonna contact Mr. Stewart. Mr. Stewart should be able to point him in the right direction. Point y'all
Okay.
in the right direction, okay?
Thank you.
Okay, give us a reset date.
Standard receipt,
Yes, so we can check, make sure it's
July 20th.
July 20th, 2026. Okay, this case is reset to July 2026. Ms. Lede, your attorney and your bondsman will be given notice of your reset. Stay in contact with your attorney and your bondsman. You're free to go, and you have a
Okay.
blessed day. And you need to
Thank-
be in court in person on that day,
And it's July 20,
20th.
oh,
The
July
20th.
20th.
Yeah,
Okay.
at 9 a.m.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, you're welcome.
Thank you, Mr. Burbank.
Okay, let's see. Mr. Burbank, is that your last case?
Is that it?
This is the one we didn't get, Timothy Saunier. Could we check to see if he has a felony case set today?
Think so. I think I.
Yes, 26 CCC, I'm sorry, 26 DCCCR 0587. So it's up to date.
Is set today?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Well, what we'll do with Sonia's case, if they reset it, we'll reset it to the same date. Now, if it's disposed of, we'll probably contact
This will
you.
be disposed, if that's disposed of, I'm certain this will be disposed of.
Oh, okay, okay,
That's why I'm waiting for it to go in.
okay. All right, you free to go. You have a blessed day.
Good day.
All right.
I can see you. Let's say,
Who has Gabriel Reyes?
thank you, Tom.
Who's the lawyer on that? Mr. Reyes?
Yeah.
Okay.
Um,
session. The court is in session and calls number 26 CCCR 1305. You know what? Did you you added that other case in?
Yes, sir.
Let me take a look at that other case. Maybe that's why they.
Tell you on my end, the file on that one is the exact same.
It is. Judgment, Nisi, we'll see, we call a bid application. Correspondence. Okay, documents. Get new case file, Beaumont. It's been the wrong case. Oh, no. This look like, one of them say Beaumont Municipal Court, and another one say Port Arthur.
Did you ever get a ticket in the last 5 years?
This one says. Gabriel Reyes. Let me see this. The case we playing on is it 1305?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, 0790. This is a Beaumont case. Yeah, this is a Beaumont case. In this case, okay, there's a citation in this case from April the 26th. Hold on, wait. This is a speeding. They messing with this one all up. They saying everything from Beaumont Municipal Court, and then they in the file, everything is from Port Arthur Municipal. Oh, this one.
That's
is
why I was
also
saying it was
messed
the
up.
exact same.
This one is
Then
all
that's why I thought it
messed
was a
up, but it's
duplicate.
saying, but if you look at the file, it's saying Beaumont. I don't know who did this paperwork.
Nobody's perfect, Judge.
This one is, they put everything in like he was charged in Beaumont. They got Beaumont Municipal Court for everything. Wow. That's crazy. Okay. Let me go back to the other one. I see why they're dismissing that one.
That's strange because Port Arthur sends you the paper.
Yeah, I don't know what
Why
happened.
would they exclude Beaumont?
Your guess is as good as mine. Okay. Listen, we back in cause number 26 CCCR 1305. Case of style, the state of Texas versus Gabriel Reyes. Mr. Reyes, is that your full name?
Yes.
Mr. Reyes, would you please raise your right hand? You swear affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God.
Yes.
Mr. Reyes, you may put your hand down. How are you doing, Mr. Reyes?
Just fine.
That's good. Mr. Reyes, you're represented in your case by your attorney, Lloyd A. Newton. Attorney Newton, how are you doing?
I'm Adam Watkins covering for Lloyd Newton.
You, Adam,
I explained that to him. Yes. Judge.
Adam Watkins.
Adam Watkins.
Okay, Attorney Adam Watkins.
I'm doing fine, thank you.
Okay,
Waffle House after this.
okay. So, Mr. Reyes,
Yes.
does the attorney, Watkins have your permission to stand in for Attorney Lloyd Newton?
Yes.
Okay, now, Mr. Reyes, I have before me a citation that was filed by the Port Arthur Police Department for the offense of speeding, which allegedly occurred on or about October 8th of 2025 while you were in Port Arthur, Jefferson County, Texas. Do you understand what you've been charged with?
Yes.
And to this charge, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
Now, are you pleading no contest freely and voluntarily?
Yes.
And are you pleading no contest because you do not wish to fight or contest the charges.
Yes.
Now, Mr. Reyes, if anybody have a phone, you need to take your phone off. Mr. Reyes, I also have before me on my computer tablet a document that is titled misdemeanor plea admonishments, also labeled as State's Exhibit Number 1. Do you recognize this document?
Yes.
On page 2 of this same document, there are a set of initials on a line next to a box that's checked no contingent, which means no contest.
Yeah.
Now, I'm going to make a amendment to this waiver. Totally satisfied. Attorney, legal. I give him good ones over that. Teacher is it really voluntarily made a point. I'm totally satisfied provided by attorney. I give you attorney. Have to be admonished of all rights, consequences of plea. I do not state that read the charging instrument, whether it be okay, so you read the charging instrument, whether it be information or motion to revoke probation. I'm gonna scratch through information and insert the word citation. We'll place my initial there. So I just changed the word information to citation.
Okay, no problem.
Okay, and on page 3 of this document is the signature above the line that's titled defendant. Is this your signature?
Yes.
And on the next document that's titled trial court certification, the defendant's right of appeal, you recognize this document?
Yes.
And is this your signature on the line that's titled defendant? At the top of this document, there's 2 boxes checked. The first box is checked states that this is a plea bargaining case and you have no right of appeal. You understand that statement?
Yes.
Second box that's checked states that you're waiving your right to an appeal, which means you're giving up your right to an appeal. Do you understand that statement?
Yes.
I also have another document on paper that is titled discovery certification. Do you recognize this document?
Yes.
And is this your signature on the line that's titled defendant? Now, before you sign and initial those documents, did your attorney go over those documents with you?
Not exactly, but I told him the procedural posture and it matched what the documents ended up being, so.
Yes.
Okay, well, let me do this. Now, you understand that, okay. On this discovery certification, it's saying that your attorney received discovery, which is that had access to the evidence in your case.
Yes, I
You
know.
understand it? And on state's exhibit, well, on this document, I just went over this document with you. That's the trial court certification, the defendant's right of appeal. And on the previous document, trial court certification, the misdemeanor plea admonishment, 1 box check saying that this is a Class C misdemeanor. And that's not a DWI. Let me see, a firearm, that doesn't apply. Now, this is a plea bargaining case, which basically states that the court does not have to follow the plea bargaining agreement. If the court does not follow the plea bargaining agreement, you can withdraw your plea. Do you understand that?
Yes.
And the next paragraph states that if you're not a U.S. citizen or plead guilty or no contingent, it may result in your deportation, excluded from mission, or denial of naturalization under federal law. You understand that?
Okay.
And on the next page, the deferred application does not apply. And what it says with judicial clemency, it just a notice of judicial clemency basically informing you that if you, well, this is not a probation case, that the court, if this was a probation case, then the court had the option, if you successfully completed probation, to give you judicial clemency, what is tantamount or equivalent to a pardon. Okay.
Okay.
But this doesn't apply. Now, on the waivers, it's saying that you have a right to have a jury trial. However, you're waiving your right to have a jury trial.
Yes.
You have a right to have an attorney, and you have an attorney representing you. Okay. You read the charging instrument, which is the citation that I just placed in here. And you stated that your plea is free and voluntarily given, is that correct?
Yes.
Okay. Now, are you a citizen of the United States?
Yes.
State, you like to offer states one? Any objections to states exhibit number one? No objection, states exhibit number one will be admitted. And Mr. Watkins, you advised and counseled Mr. Reyes. Is there any evidence that he is currently mentally incompetent to
No.
stand trial? And Mr. Reyes, your attorney, Mr. Watkins, has advised and counseled you. Are you satisfied with his representation?
Yes.
Has he provided fully effective and competent legal representation?
Yes.
And your attorney of record, Attorney Newton, has advised and counseled you. Are you satisfied with his representation?
Yes.
Has he provided fully effective and competent legal representation?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Reyes, I will accept your plea of plea of guilty,
No contest.
no contest. I will find that you are mentally competent to stand trial. I will also find that your plea and waivers were freely and voluntarily given. I will also find that there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty beyond a reasonable doubt. State, do we have a plea bargain agreement?
We do, Your Honor.
And what is the agreement?
Be $100 fine plus court costs.
Okay, and what's the court cost? $277. Okay, Mr. Reyes, the state is offering that you pay a fine of $100 plus court cost of $277, which comes to a total of $377. Mr. Reyes, will you be able to pay $377 today?
Yes.
Okay, Mr. Reyes, do you understand the state's offering?
Yes.
Do you think the state's offering in your case is fair and just?
Yes.
And do you accept the state's offer?
Yes.
Okay, Mr. Reyes, I'll follow people are in agreement that you have entered into the state. Mr. Reyes, you're gonna stand at the end of that counter, follow the directions of the bailiff. Once you finish following the directions of the bailiff, then you can go downstairs in the to the county clerk's office and make that payment. And once you make that payment, then you'll get the receipt and then bring it back up to this courtroom.
Thank you very much. Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay, you welcome.
Excuse.
Yes, you may be excused, yeah.
Ask him, where'd you find the citation? Where was the citation you found?
Right here. It's on the first page.
It's just gonna say speeding on the charge, right?
It says location, violation information, and it said, where is it? I saw speeding. Yeah, right here, under violations, says citation, violation, speeding.
Okay, so speeding is what's gonna report to CJ as.
Yeah.
Speeding. Okay, well, thank you. Appreciate meeting y'all.
You're
I'm
welcome.
gonna go next door and see if the district judge is in there.
Okay.
And YouTube, all this.
All right, we'll see you later. All right.
You're our mayor.
Yes.
It's a brief. I just have to get a daily case reset. It's a felony case that is being reset for 30 days. I just need y'all to reset the DWI. Kelsey will. Thank you.
Kelsey Renee Linscomb.
It's at all 727 and 12.
Is Linscomb here?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, this is cause number 25 CCCR 2384. Case of Styles of States of Texas versus Chelsea Renee Linscomb. Ms. Linscomb, is that your full name?
Yes.
Okay, how are you doing, Ms. Linscomb? That's good, Ms. Linscomb. You're representing your case by your attorney, Attorney Johnson Bailey. Mr. Bailey, how are you doing?
I'm doing great, Your Honor.
That's good. Now, you have a felony case set on July. what's the date?
27th.
Okay, and this case will be reset with the felony case. You get your reset. Once you get your reset, you're free to go and you have a blessed day.
Thank you, Your Honor.
And you have a blessed day as well. All right. Mr. Schmidt,
This one. I have it there and Will read.
yes.
Will.
Darren Wildridge, Mr. Wildridge, your full name is Darren Oscar Wildridge.
Yes, sir.
How you doing, Mr. Wildridge?
Pretty good, you.
I'm doing fine. We're gonna need a, Sam, I think this is your case. And Mr. Wooldridge, you're represented by your attorney Bruce Smith. And Mr. Smith, again, how are you doing? That's good. Now, Mr. Smith, what is your announcement to Mr. Wooldridge case?
The month of June was the first setting of this case. Sam emailed us last week and saying that he is looking at the case and is going to get us an offer sometime this week. So we just need some additional time to get that done.
Okay, let's see. This is an announcement. Okay, so you was hired in April. I see a letter, April 27, 2026, letter of rep. Is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, so this is our first setting. Okay. Give us a standard reset.
June 15th.
Okay, this case will be reset to July 15, 2026. Mr. Wooldridge, you'll get your reset from our court coordinator. Once you get your reset, you're free to go. And you have a blessed day. Mr. Smith, you have any more cases?
No, yeah.
Okay, you're free to go and you have a blessed day.
Thank you.
And nice seeing you.
Good to see you.
Okay.
First day back.
Yes, okay. We was praying for you. Feener. Amber Michelle Feener.
Yeah,
It's 12 months deferred, right?
Trial.
We have to strike your next floor.
Yes.
Okay, thank you, Joe.
Tab is open. Let's see. Okay. Court is in session and cause number 25 CCCR 2960, case of Styles of State of Texas versus Amber Michelle Feener. Ms. Feener, is that your full name? Would you please raise your right hand? Do you swear affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you out? You may put your hand down. How are you doing?
Good, how you doing?
I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. You're represented in your case by your attorney Charles Rojas. And Mr. Rojas, how are you doing?
Doing well, Judge, thank you.
That's good. Ms. Rojas, do you waive a record in Ms. Feener's case?
We do.
Ms. Feener, I have before me a document that is titled Information. This information is filed by the Jefferson County District Attorney's Office. In this document, it alleges that you, Amber Michelle Feener, on or about October 4th of 2025, while you were operating a motor vehicle in a public place in Jefferson County, Texas, that you committed the Class A misdemeanor offense of driving while intoxicated with an alcohol concentration level of 0.15 or more. State, are you abandoning the enhancement paragraph?
We are, Your Honor.
Okay, Ms. Feener, the state is abandoning enhancement paragraph. And what that means is instead of being charged with a class A misdemeanor DWI, you'll be charged with a class B misdemeanor DWI. Now, to the class B misdemeanor offense of driving while intoxicated, which allegedly occurred on or about October 4th of 2025 while you were in Jefferson County, Texas, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, and no contest?
Guilty.
Are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily? And are you pleading guilty because you're guilty?
Yeah.
I also have another document that is titled misdemeanor plea admonishment is also labeled as State's Exhibit Number 1. Do you recognize this document? On page 2 of this same document, there's a set of initials AF on the line next to a box that says check guilty. Did you place your initials on this document? On page 3 of this same document, there's a signature above the line that is titled defendant. Is this your signature? And on the next document that's titled trial court certification of defendant's right of appeal, you recognize this document.
Yes.
And is this your signature on the line that's titled defendant? At the top of this document, there are 2 boxes checked. The first box says check, states that this is a plea bargain case and you have no right of appeal. Do you understand that statement? Second box says check, states that you're waiving your right to appeal, which means you're giving up your right to appeal. Do you understand that statement? I also have another document that is titled discovery certification. You recognize this document? And is this your signature on the line that's titled defendant? Now, before you signed and initialed all of these documents, did your attorney go over these documents with you? And did you understand everything that your attorney went over? And is everything in these documents true and correct to the best of your knowledge? And are you a citizen of the United States? State?
Tender States Exhibit Number 1.
Any- No objection. States Exhibit Number 1 will be admitted. Mr. Rojas, you advised and counsel, Ms. Feener, is there any evidence that she is mentally incompetent to stand trial?
No, Your Honor.
And Ms. Feener, your attorney, Mr. Rojas is advised and counseled you. Are you satisfied with his representation?
Yes, sir.
Has he provided full, effective, and competent legal representation? Okay, Ms. Feener, I will accept your plea of guilty. I will find that you are mentally competent to stand trial. I also find that your plea and waivers were freely and voluntarily given. And I will also find that there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty beyond a reasonable doubt. State, do we have a plea bargain agreement?
We do, Your Honor.
And what is that agreement?
12 months deferred adjudication, Your Honor, $200 fine, 32 hours community service and anti-life advice. Is that correct, Mr. Ross? That's correct, Mr. Williams.
Okay. Ms. Feener, I also have before me, let's see. The state is offering, let's see. That's 12 months. It's deferred. What's the court cost? Mr. Rojas, were you appointed?
I was, Your Honor.
Okay, excuse me, let's see, Mr. Ross. Okay, let's see, the state is offering that you serve 1 year deferred adjudicated probation. During the 1 year probationary period, you'll be required to pay a fine of $200 plus court costs of $402. You'll be required to pay a conviction fine fee of $100. You'll be required to pay a probation fee of $60 a month, year fee of $15 a month, reimbursement fee of $15. You'll be required to reimburse Jefferson County Court appointed attorney's fees of $350. You'll also be required to pay Jefferson County DW Education initial evaluation fee of $125 on the day of the plea. Should a further evaluation be needed, you'll be required to pay an additional $50. Your total monthly installments, that is the total amount that you will be required to pay each month, is $171 a month. Will you be able to pay the $171 a month? You will also be required to perform 32 hours of community service, install an interlock device on any vehicle that you own or operate, attend a complete DW education class, and have an alcohol assessment, as well as adhering to the other standard terms and condition of this probation. Ms. Feener, do you understand the state's offer?
Yes, sir.
And do you think the state's offer in your case is fair and just?
Yes, sir.
And do you accept the state's offer? Ms. Feener, I'll follow the people-organ agreement that you have entered into with the state. Ms. Feener, if you successfully complete this probationary period, this case will be dismissed. It will not result in a conviction on your record, and you may qualify for non-disclosure, where your record will be sealed to the general public. You can talk to your attorney about the non-disclosure because he's quite competent in those matters. Now, Ms. Feener, you're gonna stand next to the bailiff, follow her directions. Once you finish following her directions, you'll be free to go, and you have a blessed day. You're welcome. Felipe Gonzalez Fabre. And your full name is Felipe Gonzalez Fabre.
Oh, yeah. It's Spanish, Your Honor.
Oh,
And it's gonna be a dismissal for restitution, so that's all we're doing this morning. He's getting a reset for about 2 weeks, so he can get me the money ordered.
okay. Okay, so this case is gonna be a dismissal for restitution.
Yes,
And how much time does he need?
if we can get 2 weeks, that'll give him time to get me the money in order. And I'll
Give
get
us
it over to
a
Mr.
2-week reset on Mr. Gonzalez Fabre.
Okay. June 29th.
Okay, this case will be reset to June 29th of 2026 when we pay the restitution. Okay? He can get his reset and tell him he's free to go.
Yes.
Okay, that's fine. Jose, how you pronounce that last name?
Zalam Wex.
Zalam Wex? Wex?
Wex.
Okay. Okay, this is cause number 25 CCCR 3052. The case is South State of Texas versus Jose Zalam Wex. Mr. Zalam Wex,
No English. Your
he doesn't speak English?
Honor.
Okay, now, Mr. Rojas, what is your announcement in Mr. Zalam Wex
Judge,
case?
we have other discovery other than the video. I'm waiting on the video. If we can get another announcement, we'll be able to get the video and go over everything with Mr. Wicks.
Give us the standard reset. Yes, page 4. Okay, this case will be reset to July 15, 2026. And Mr. Zalam Wex can get his reset. He'll be free to go and tell him that he can have a blessed day.
Thank you, Judge.
And Mr. Rojas, is that your last one?
That should be all I have. Judge.
Okay, you're free to go and you have a blessed day.
Thank you, Judge.
Okay,
So I did get the first name right, I didn't, that I was not gonna be able to pronounce it, so it's West.
Wex. Next case is Edward Cook.
Was that on?
On the trial docket, page 4.
Yeah, it was longer than 3 days.
Mr. Cook, your full name is Edward Cook. How you doing, Mr. Cook? That's good. And Mr. Cook, you're represented in your case by your attorney, Attorney Todd LeBlanc. Mr. LeBlanc, how are you doing? That's good. Now, Mr. LeBlanc, what is your announcement in Mr. Cook's case?
Judge, there's another case in this court that,
He has another one?
no, another case, another defendant in this court that, the target prosecutor thinking that that's the one that would be.
Well, that's the guy that was on Zoom?
Yes, Judge. And
Where is it? He's no longer on Zoom.
he's working 13 hours a week, Judge. He's in a class right now, and that's why he had to get off Zoom. He's he'll get back on as soon as, but on that's what I'm saying is I was getting ready in that case, and I'm set number 2 next door. I will try this case if this is it.
Okay, well, you just have to be back at 1:30. Yeah, I mean, like this other guy gonna have a bond forfeiture. Unless the state
Well, I'm not
doesn't
going
move
to-
for it.
No, I wouldn't move for it.
Yeah, because he's on the trial docket.
And understand, but we were preparing for that, but given like the employment, I don't, let me just say this, but.
Oh, well, what we do, let's deal with this case first and then we could dispose of it. So this case, Mr. Cook will see you at 1:30.
Judge, you just point, Mr. Cook is just 317 days.
Yeah.
I don't even have it on that's
Oh,
not
okay.
even on our top 5 list. Judge.
Okay, well, we'll see how it shake down. If he's not there, then we'll tell you to contact him that he wouldn't have to come. Okay,
You talking about?
Cook,
Okay.
you're talking about Cook.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Cook, he's saying that you're down the list. We're gonna, I guess probably sometime this morning, we'll know where you are on the list. And if you fall down, then, we're gonna contact your attorney. He can contact you to tell you won't have to come. Cause we're gonna have to give you another reset. Cause they got older cases. There are a couple of cases that's older than yours, several cases. Okay?
Yes, sir.
All right. So you're free to go. Stay in contact with your attorney. No, he's gonna stay in contact with his attorney unless he's gonna be on standby.
Those are the.
Right. We got Gertz has 2 cases that understand that he's in trial. Is that correct? Daniel Wallace
He left already,
and okay, so that was reset.
yes.
Okay, his attorney, he's on page 2. His attorney is in trial.
He did let me know on.
Yeah, Daniel Paul Wallace,
Fridays.
page 2.
Yeah, those 2.
Judge, you want me back here?
Yeah, I mean, you coming back anyway. I mean, you say you're number 2.
Over there, yeah, I think the number 1's gonna go, but that's the one.
Yeah, well,
I will be back at 1:30.
okay.
But we like.
Okay.
We'll.
Yeah, because some of these cases are going down, Bro cases, he's out of pocket. Okay, Mr. What they talking on, Mr. Kelly? Kimmler. Oh, you have Kenneth, okay. Oh, that was Cook. Provo.
Wow. The particular, just you can call.
You have Jason Monroe Murchison. in this case.
The particulars, realizing the age of this case, Your Honor. However, the particulars in this case directly relate to, discharge of a firearm, attempted murder, and conspiracy to commit murder, which is going on July the 6th in the CDC.
So you have a,
No,
felony?
not him, Judge. I say what's related. He interfered, the state alleged that he interfered with the arrest of his son, who had just shot two people, when they went to the house. The matters go into trial on July the 6th, Judge.
Okay,
And I'm just saying, like, again, from the facts, again, like, of this case, to how did it get involved, the state will invariably have to go into the facts on the actions of his son.
okay, I understand. It's two different cases. Two
Well,
different
it's-
defendants.
Understand that they're two different
Right.
defendants, Your Honor, but it's pretty much,
Okay.
well, the facts are related. Having stated
Okay.
that, then,
Okay.
you know.
Well, this case, she was appointed back in 24. This is 2026 case.
Understood,
Yeah, we
Judge.
did date 2026, cause so you'll be back at 1:30. Okay? All right,
Oh.
yes, case.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, Murchison. Okay, Trevor Joseph Stratton. Oh, he was in a treatment. I think I remember, okay. Mr. Stratton, your full name is Trevor Joseph Stratton?
Yes, sir.
How are you doing?
Retired.
Okay, well, hope you'll be feeling a little bit better. Now, and we hope that you can, get your rest and be tired. Now, Mr. Stratton, you're represented in your case by your attorney, Attorney Marva Provo. And Ms. Provo, what's your announcement in Mr. Stratton's case?
At this time, I'm not ready to go forth with his case. I just got recently, the video with tried to get earlier. And, I just got that the other day.
So you just got discovery?
The video.
Yeah, the video, I mean, you just completed it, it's. Okay. Okay, State, what's your announcement? This is,
Let me see a note.
she was appointed October 25 on this one.
I want to say that the state is, I want to say that the state is not ready on it.
Okay. Give us a reset. July 20th.
Yes.
2020.
Actually, I'm not going to, Fred, I'm sorry. Sam, what's that week again? You got the room, is it the 13th or the 20th? Training.
It's the week for July 17th.
It's the 17th must be a,
They all fit.
Yeah, the week of the 13th through the 17th.
okay,
You won't be here for 27?
that's fine. So, Mr. Stratton, your case is reset July 27th, 2026. And this for trial, you can get your reset. Mr. Stratton, you look nice today,
Thank you, sir.
okay? And again, I think I paid mention to you, the road to recovery is not a sprint, it's a marathon.
Yes, sir.
And you get tired along the way, but you have people to lean on.
Sir.
All those people that's been helping you, you can lean on them, okay?
Sir.
All right, just stay on the road, okay?
Your Honor.
All right, you are.
Have these seasons a while.
Yes. Yeah, because this docket, Freddie wrote well. Did that guy, Freddie's in?
Yeah, you.
Judge, I have an announcement, but I've also got a trial setting for the.
So what you want to do first?
Well, I mean, I don't want to jump in line, but,
Well, his attorney, I was gonna have to appoint him another attorney. It's gonna take a few seconds. Mr. Zen, you're represented by your attorney, Mr. Grove.
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Grove, have some medical issues.
Yes, sir. Like in April.
Yeah, some serious medical issues, so we're gonna have to reappoint you another lawyer.
Okay, yes, Your Honor.
Okay. And, why didn't she appoint him? Okay. The person that, we're gonna appoint is, Attorney Albert Price. Yeah, he's on the, I wonder why they don't have his code. Maybe that's why they didn't appoint. No, I got the new sheet. Well, the next person up is gonna be Attorney Nathan Reynolds. That's Mr. Reynolds, is sitting right there. And let's see, this is, yeah. You'll be given, information on how to contact Mr. Reynolds, and he'll be given information on how to contact you, okay? So just stand in front of the court coordinator, get your reset, you're free to go.
Right, thank you, Your Honor.
All right.
For his goal.
Reginald Linden. This is cause number 25 CCCR 2274. Case of style of state of Texas versus Reginald Linden. And Mr. Linden, how are you doing?
Right.
That's good. And Mr. Linden is representing this case by his attorney, Attorney Nathan Reynolds. Attorney Reynolds, how are you doing?
Do well, Judge. Thank you.
That's good. And Mr. Reynolds, what's your announcement in Mr. Linden's case?
Mr. Lennon does not want to enter a plea like a trial judge.
Okay, we'll reset it for trial. Give us a trial date. No, not the 20th, it's the 27th. Okay, this case will be reset July 27th, 2026. Mr. Linden, you get your reset from our court coordinator. Once you get your reset, you're free to go and you have a blessed day. And Mr. Reynolds, is this your only case?
It is, Judge.
You get your reset, you're free to go as well, and you have a blessed day. Okay.
Yeah.
Mr. Kelly, yes.
Just 1 second.
Okay, this is
Matters on yours.
Britt Allen Semino.
He's present.
He's on the trial docket. He's on the trial docket page 3. Mr. Semino, your full name is Britt Allen Semino.
Yes, sir.
How you doing, Mr. Semino?
Pretty good, sir. How are you?
I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking, Mr. Semino. You're representing your case by your attorney, Attorney Kelly. How are you doing?
He's fine, Judge. Thank you. How are you?
I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking.
Good.
And Mr. Kelly, what is your announcement in Mr. Semino's case?
I think I'll defer to the state if I may, Judge.
State?
We're trying to work something out, Your Honor, regarding maybe a peace bond in this sort of case. We're trying to resolve this before we can get to trial.
A peace bond, you getting a civil deal in that, in
Vehicle if we
JP
could-
court?
Yes, Judge. I think that might lead to a resolution.
So that's, okay. So how long you think that's gonna take?
Unknown, Your Honor.
Yeah, I mean, just. Okay. Hold on a minute. Let me take a look at this here.
think I did. I didn't intend to. This was your idea.
Let's see.
I'm sorry, I did not intend to do that. I'm dumb.
Ah. Okay.
So y'all.
Shit thing here taking a while. Computer. Okay, let me see, we just gave, wow. He's been on the bond condition since March of 2025. Come on, come on. This is on the trial docket. Let's see. Let's see. He's been on this a whole week. See, it was fired on this case back in February 25.
That sounds right.
Okay, give us a reset. This is on page 3 of the trial docket. It's my the 27th.
Yes,
You say July 27th?
yes.
Okay. Now, let's do this here. What else we have on that document, Matthew? Okay, Mr. Seminole, you can get your reset. Once you can get your reset from our coordinator.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
That's it? That's your only case?
Do you want to send it to me?
It's raining out there? Okay,
Either way.
Mr. Kimler,
Yeah, John Quinn, Judge.
you have another
I
one?
do, Judge.
Hold on a minute. Okay. I thought-
Sorry. You know, okay. All right, Judge, thank you.
This is on the pretrial conference docket.
That's right, Judge.
Yes, two cases. Okay. Mr. O'Quinn, your full name is John E. O'Quinn?
Yes, sir.
How are you doing, Mr. O'Quinn? I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. Mr. O'Quinn, you're represented by your attorney, Tom Kelly. Mr. Kelly, what's your announcement of Mr. O'Quinn's cases?
Thank you, Judge. Mr. Williams and I are trying to resolve both of these together. If you can allow us to stay on the pre-trial conference docket to do that, I would appreciate it. If not, then we need more trial dates.
Yeah, I think you had the same announcement last time.
Yes, I know.
Right.
We're
We're gonna put it,
but I'm
yeah,
trying.
I'll put it on the, I'm gonna put it on the trial docket. Okay. Reset July 27th.
Yes, sir.
Like he might have the oldest case up, well,
Probably.
yeah, one of them is, yeah. Okay, these cases will be reset to July 27th. Oh. He was on pre-trial. This is Kelly O'Quinn.
Mr. Kelly.
Yes, ma'am.
Seminole, that's trial July 27 as well.
That's correct. Yes.
Okay, now, Mr. O'Quinn, I see you have these two DWI cases. You're required to attend AANA meetings 3 times a week and provide proof. You have your proof? Oh,
I'm
I
sorry.
thought you,
I'm sorry.
I thought you was reading it. It's 25. Okay, 26. Okay. Okay. And I'll give you another one of these. I'll give you a new form too. So we make a copy. That's the new form. Yeah, we'll need a copy. We're gonna make a copy.
Thank you.
Okay, now, Mr. O'Quinn, your case is gonna be reset.
Yes, sir.
July 27th. We're gonna make a copy of your sheets that you gave to us, and then you'll be able to get them back. Okay, before you leave. You're gonna get your reset, and once you get your sign-in sheets, you'll be free to go,
Thanks, Judge.
and you'll have a blessed day.
Thank you.
And Mr. Kelly, you're free to go.
Thank you.
Yes.
I'll go with time. I realized that was great. When I'm looking for my face.
Bless you.
No worries.
Bless you. William Portier. Okay, Mr. Portier, your full name is William Ray Portier.
Yes, Your Honor.
How are you doing?
Doing good.
That's good. Ms. Portier, you're represented by your attorney, Rob Kimler. Mr. Kimler, how are you doing? And Mr. Kimler, what is your announcement in Mr. Portier's case?
Ready?
State.
State's ready, Your Honor.
Okay, we'll see y'all back at 1:30. Ms. Portier, to see you at 1:30.
Okay.
Next case is that? Lario Demon Rugo or Russo? Mr. Rujo, your full name is Lario Demon Rujo. How are you doing? Oh, I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. You representing the case by your attorney, Rob Kimler. Mr. Kimler, what's your announcement?
Ready?
Ready, state?
State's not ready on that one, Your Honor.
Okay, not ready. Okay, that's 305 days. Okay, that case will be reset. Give us a reset date. July 27th.
Is the state being charged with a continuance, Your Honor?
Yes. Okay, this,
I'm not opposed to this. I was wondering.
yeah. Okay, state continues. No objections. And it's granted. You can get your reset. And once you get your reset, you're free to go and you have necessary.
That was July, what day, Your Honor?
27th.
Yes.
Thank you.
Yeah, he's coming back.
Okay. Let's make sure.
Garrett Jamal Williams. Who is that? Okay. Ms. Williams? Good morning. Ms. Williams, you represented by your attorney, Rob Kimler. Mr. Kimler, what's your announcement?
Ready?
State.
State's ready, Your Honor.
Okay, we'll see y'all at 1:30. Okay. I think just on the trial docket, that's it for this. Let's see. Trial conference,
Thibodeau, Your Honor.
on which one?
Oh,
Trial?
that was pretrial diversion. Did you apply for that one?
Not yet, what's on good?
Joel Mike.
You say Thibodeau? Oh, yeah, Joel Michael Thibodeau?
Okay.
They suggested I apply for pretrial diversion on Your Honor, so. See that in that. Don't like to waste time if it's not gonna be granted, but they seem to think this one might be. You wanna do pretrial diversion?
That way.
No,
Get your reset.
give it a.
Okay, so,
Okay.
Yeah.
July 27th. You're welcome.
we'll reset it for pretrial. Get my,
46.
You're good.
this is on page 3 of the, jury trial document.
DWI 0.15.
That's Joel Michael Thibodeau. I mean, Thibodeau.
Wait, you said that jury
I don't think he did.
Pretrial diversion.
Do what?
He's gonna be reset for pretrial diversion. His attorney's gonna apply for pretrial diversion.
I'll send a request to Mr. Knapp now.
We're gonna keep it on the trial docket.
Keep it on the trial.
Yes, we're gonna keep it on the trial docket.
It's a 0.15 that I thought that would preclude pretrial diversion, but evidently there are some exceptions to that.
Yeah, I don't
I
know.
will explore those.
Okay,
The sole family violence. We don't want
okay, Mr. Thibodeau, you're gonna get your reset from our coordinator. Once you get your reset, you're free to go and you have a blessed day.
There's
Mr.
no one has seen
Yeah.
Mr. Boudreaux.
Kimler.
This is Boudreaux client has in felony court.
No, he's here though. What did we do? What happened over there? Reset? What man? No reset. Probation.
Oh, he got probation.
Am I done, Your Honor?
Yes, you're free to go.
30? Okay.
Yeah. Let the state,
You ready on 48? We're on that?
okay. Okay, let me get my, I need to get my off of that. is sick, is ill, so we have to appoint you another lawyer. The lawyer that will be appointed to represent you in this case is Attorney Joel Vasquez. Okay, you'll get your reset from our court coordinator.
I do my next court date online.
Hmm?
I do my next court date online, so I don't have to drive wait on.
Where you from? Wow. Yes, we can do that. Okay, she'll give you the number. And make sure you get in contact with your attorney. Okay, Joel Vasquez, this is Rashad LeBlanc, page three of the announcement document.
You could just make the notes, Jeff, and I'll get it from you.
Lydia Flores Espinoza. Miss Flores Espinoza, how are you doing?
Good, thank you.
Okay, now one time, Ryan Matuska was your attorney? And he took a job, now we got Mr. Grove. Mr. Grove is ill. We're gonna have to appoint you another attorney. Okay, we're gonna appoint, Attorney Charles Rojas. Okay? Mr. Rojas, will be given information to contact you, and you'll be given information to contact him. Stay in contact with our, our court coordinator will give you that information, so you can stay in contact with your attorney and your bondsman. Once you get your reset, you're free to go and you have a best day.
Thank you.
Just have to speak, and I'll call you back. And this guy is Burbanks. What they do, reset you over there, or you?
His case will be reset.
Well, they said he was supposed to come over there. I've been sitting over there.
Okay, so it's reset, that's what his date is on that paper.
8 o'clock this week. Come on.
Yeah,
Oh.
I'm getting the paper.
Court being recessed to 1:30. Trial.